What up, YouTube? It's your boy Klusk here, Klusk Customs. Little update on the LED grill lights I installed this weekend on Sunday night, heading back to work tomorrow. So yeah, what I did was this little rocker switch. I didn't really want to tap into my truck's dash anywhere, you know what I mean. But so I just found a nice little spot up under here, and I just wire tied it up there and tucked all the wires back up there, held it down there, bundled them there. So let's see what she looks like at night. Yay. So let's see here. I'm gonna shut this off. It's not gonna give me the option to now that I have it on. Yeah. So we'll hit our little toggle. It's actually relatively bright. Damn, surprised. Yeah, I don't know how to work this thing. But yeah, you guys get the idea. That garage has got to be, let me see if I can do this. That garage has got to be at least 10, 20, 25 feet or so away. So she casts pretty good. I'm gonna see them better in the garage window. Step back here and see if I can get a better angle. Yeah, I figured it'd go good with the theme of the truck. The white, black on kind of neonish green. I forget what they called it on the can that I did here. But yeah, I don't remember. I'd have to check back in. Cool. Just wanted to show you guys, give you guys a quick update. Here, actually, let's check it out with the lights on too, real quick. Get kind of an idea. Because obviously they're not half as powerful as the LED headlights. Of course, the fog lights aren't on. It's gonna have to be on run, I guess, to get the fogs on. There we go. So your fog lights won't turn on unless it's on run. There we go. It's a little better. It's not so focused right to the center as you're driving at night anyways. Definitely digging them. It was well worth it. Took me maybe 4 or 5 hours, but I was just swinging it, you know what I mean? I just jumped in, feet first. That's what you gotta do in life, in general. Definitely digging it. It's your boy Klusk Customs. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Peace.